To embark, you'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While the oven warms, grab a medium bowl and whisk together 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set this aside for now, as we'll come back to it later. Next, in a large mixing bowl, cream together a 1/2 cup of softened, unsalted butter and a cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is well combined before adding the next. Now it's time to add a 1/2 cup of plain yogurt or sour cream, a tablespoon of lemon zest, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Gradually add your dry ingredients to this mixture, blending until just combined. The final touch is to gently fold in a cup of fresh blueberries. If you only have frozen, ensure they're thawed and drained first. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Bake this in your preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake is cooling, it's time to whip up the homemade cream cheese icing. Beat together 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and a 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter until smooth. Gradually add in 1½ cups of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, beating until well combined and creamy. Once the pound cake has cooled completely, spread the cream cheese icing over the top. Slice, serve, and relish in the joy of your homemade lemon blueberry pound cake with cream cheese icing. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.